everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Planning with Donna Smith Wilson, and today I have part 1 of my spring clean series, or my spring series I should say. There will be a spring clean, there will be a spring bucket list, and there will be a spring self-care checklist. So these are 1, 2, and 3. So let's get started. I'm trying to make up my mind if I want to put down a great big box here. On this, I'm not really going to get into any florals per se, because I mean it's a spring cleaning list, and I just don't think that that's completely necessary to have. And so I was looking for maybe a really long box, and I thought this book, yes, this book has one, preferably one that's not psychedelic, because I wanted a long box. I know, guys, I should have had myself prepared. I don't like that because it's got the stripes going the wrong way. I don't like that. I don't like that because it's got stripes going the wrong way. And this may end up being a total crapshoot because I don't see what I am exactly looking for. No, that's going to look stupid. So I guess it's not going to happen because I cannot find what I'm wanting on here. And I guess I should have prepared ahead of time, but I did not. So we're just going to move on. So up here, I have pulled this big, gigantic sticker from the Live, Love, Posh Spring Florals book. And then all of the other books that I used was the Household, Productivity, and Colorful Shapes. So I'm just going to put this right up here at the top. I'm keeping it sort of plain because, I mean, like, who really wants to get fancy with the, you know, the cleaning stuff? So I found these 2 clean stickers, and I really like these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like one right here. And then I'm going to put a little circle right here. And the reason I'm going to do that is because this is going to be like kitchen, okay? Then I have this little, the plan. Get that straight. So then I'm going to take the pink one, and you know where that's going to be. Well, so let's do the peach next. So this will probably be bathroom. This will be kitchen, because my kitchen is accented in copper. Then we're going to do purple. That will be probably, let's see, living room. I just wanted to keep this super, super focused and simple. I mean, I don't think that, you know, we need to go nuts with the spring cleaning thing, okay? Or I don't think so. That's just a moi thing. So, and of course, we're going to do the pink for my bedroom. And I'm also going to do a home improvement list of stuff as well. Like, you know, I've got some stuff I'm going to be doing in my kitchen and my bathroom. And I want to be able to film that as well. So I've got bathroom, kitchen, living room, bedroom, and then I'm going to do let's see. Let's put this one here. And then we're going to put this little sticker here. And I'm going to take this one. And these are going to be like my filming room and closets. Okay? If that makes sense. Because I think, you know, you have your rooms, but then my filming room is a little different because I have stuff that I have to organize in there. And then, what am I doing? All right, so from the bathroom, I want to put, let me put the checks on here first. I've got little checks, and I found this little thing from Michelle on Plan On It. She had little check boxes that she used, and I thought, well, that's a cute idea. So I'm just going to put those little check boxes there so that when I'm done with that particular chore, that I can just check it off. And why did I have that? Purple. I think I'm blind. This is the purple one. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. It's a checkbox, so who cares? And then I guess I'm going to put this one here. Like I said, I must have been a little bit blind, and I shorted myself one. So anyway, let's move on. So I'm going to put a couple little things down. Now, this dishes is going to represent, I have a couple cabinets that I need to actually take the dishes out of and clean those and then put them back. And the cabinets have glass on the front. So I'm going to put that little bottle there. And then I'm going to put this little laundry thing in the kitchen one as well, just because I'm going to take down all my curtains in my kitchen, in my living room, and my bedroom. It's the only places that I have curtains, okay? So let's put this here. So I'll take them down in the living room, and I'm going to take them down in my bedroom. Now, this is just my plan. You can change this up and customize it. I'm going to put this little wash pail in the bathroom because I'm going to wash down all of the walls and everything in there because I'm going to be doing some wall accents in there. So that's all going to have to be done. And of course, the toilet and the shower has to be bleached in those rooms. Okay. And then on the living room, I also like to disinfect stuff in there. And then I'm going to put the vacuum cleaner with the living room, knowing that I'm going to be doing the vacuum cleaner in all the rooms. I'm also going to add a little kitty sticker here to the bathroom. And the reason I'm going to do that, I'm just going to put Gracie right here. And the reason I'm going to put her right there is because I am going to be doing probably a new litter pan for her in there. And I just think that that will be something that, you know, this will remind me to either sterilize and clean the one she has or get a new one. So I'm just saying that's something that I think, you know, that I want to make sure that I take care of. I'm going to take this extra one. I don't know if that's going to look right. I don't think it's going to look right. So we're just going to leave it. All right. So, like I said, we're going to keep this simple. Let me grab, that's a big marker. Let me grab, this is going to be the bathroom. And the green. And then, let's see, red. This is the kitchen. Then we're going to do purple. Well, it's actually pink, but, well, this is purple. This was the living room. Okay. And let me see if I have a pink. Yep. Bedroom. Okay. And then this is going to be, let's see. Make sure, yeah. The filming room. And then I'm going to use this one again. And this one is going to be, what did I say? Closets. Okay. So, there we have it. We have a very simplified, very easy to follow spring cleaning list. You could use this every year. And of course here, what I'll probably do is I'll go in and I'll put like bleach shower, toilet, wash walls, that type of thing. And then I'll put like curtains, you know, I'll just make my little lists in here, but you get the idea of what I have here. So this is my take on the spring cleaning list that I'm going to do for my home. And as you can see, it's all nice and color coded, and each room has its own thing there to do. So, and then you can customize it and fill it in any way you want to. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick little spring cleaning list that you can do and pop into your planner. If you did, I hope that you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you're enjoying the My Planner content, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel and becoming part of My Planner family. I would love to have you. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is part one of my spring cleaning series. And I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. Be blessed, be safe, and be kind. Bye, everybody.